But I want to turn now, Madam Speaker, to an issue I alluded to earlier. A major plank of our policy is to promote the rapid expansion in the deployment by individuals of renewable energy, especially using solar technology. A special incentive scheme will be announced shortly, focusing on access to low-cost financing and a much straightforward process to secure energy licenses with a built-in attractive feed-in tariffs. Madam Speaker, our future PNP government has committed to build 50,000 houses, affordable houses, within 5 years. And it's amazing, party leader of opposition, how people have gravitated to the notion that we're going to be solving the problem of housing for poor people finally. So, Madam Speaker, with those 50,000 houses, we are going to be giving power to the people. They will have through solar rooftop sufficient electricity for their needs, and they will also be able to expand beyond their needs to provide electricity for the national grid at a lower cost than currently the grid is able to accommodate. So this is what we mean by power to the people. Power to the people. Power to the people.